till 9:30 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from near Kenosha to near Iawx, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Pleasant
We
Valley,
didn't spot a heavy rain because I swear I hear some.
and Rockford. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado.